My name is Karen Kelly, and I worked at Fire and Safety Services since I was 18 years old. Good afternoon, Fire and Safety. Can I help you? We started our relationship with Pierce in 1977, and we have been partners with them ever since.
My goals for the company when we started were pretty limited because we were very, very small. There were only 4 full-time employees, and we did everything then. Fire apparatus, fire equipment, we repaired fire alarms, the whole thing. And it was to try to give the customer the maximum dollar value for what they were looking for and to give them what they really needed. And Pierce was very instrumental in our future. We were only selling about 8 trucks a year back then, and we were able to develop that business and turn it into now what it is, which is fire apparatus and repairs only.
I've been involved with Fire and Safety Services since my dad took the company over in 1982. I took the business over in 2005 and became the principal owner and president in 2006.
Hi, I'm Sean O'Connor with Fire and Safety Services, Service Manager. I've been with Fire and Safety since 1993 when I was hired as the Assistant Service Manager, and I've been with Fire and Safety Services ever since. Our service department has grown 4-fold in that time frame. Our service department prides ourselves on providing quality service to our customers so they can stay in service and protect their communities.
Fire and Safety was just a phenomenal company to deal with. Bill Russell was is probably one of the most knowledgeable people I've ever run across in my life, especially with the fire service, and his knowledge was beyond question.
We're an extension of the fire service. We really are part of the family, and it's a very close-knit family. What affects one affects all of us. So we do everything in our power to support them in any way possible. It's the nature of the brotherhood of the fire service. Fire and Safety Services has always been a family organization, and we treat each other as family. This is more than just a business relationship. This is friends, and as long as I'm around, we'll continue to operate that way. That was the seed my father planted.
That, to me, is the best you can get.